The Biden administration says there will be serious consequences if Congress doesn't approve more COVID funding.
More Americans will die needlessly.
We need to be prepared for the possibility that we will have a surge of cases as we get into the fall.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says it's important to prepare for what COVID brings next.
We may need to boost the population on a yearly basis. I'm not saying that absolutely is the case, but it is entirely conceivable.
The White House wants $22.5 billion, but senators were only able to strike a deal for $10 billion before those negotiations fell apart. Republicans are blocking COVID funding over plans for Title 42 to end. That's the pandemic policy that prevented migrants from seeking asylum.
It's truly a national security crisis as well as a health crisis. Until they get serious about that, I think they're going to have some rough sledding in Congress on both sides of the aisle.
But the White House says COVID funding shouldn't be held hostage over Title 42 because the decision to end it comes from the CDC. And officials say more COVID funds are critical.
To get newer and even better boosters for the various different variants that are either with us or that will evolve.
The White House says without more money, some programs like the government-subsidized testing, vaccination, and treatments could abruptly end.
There is no plan B.
In Washington, Alexandra Limon.